Good morning. This is my day 2 post of my upper blepharoplasty. So as you can see, yung bruising niya or yung pasa. So magkasama na yung pamamaga at pasa around my eyes. Yung left ko medyo talagang madaming pasa kumpara dito sa kanan. I was able to at least open my eyes kumpara kahapon. Talagang hirap akong ino-ingot. At ngayon, yes, there's still discomfort when it comes to, opening my eyes. Pero hindi na siya ganun ka-discomfort kumpara